Yes, good morning children. Again that last and final topic here in this section, in this chapter, that is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. So equations reducible, in the name only it is there. So that means that are direct, that means the problem given is not in direct. So that means equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. So that means for that which are not so that means the given equations are not linear equations, but we have to turn it into the linear equations by the proper substitution methods. So total the given equations can be converted into, can be reducible to linear equations. After getting that linear equations 1 and 2, solving the equations with the suitable method either by elimination or substitution, and so that it is easy to get the answer. After that again you substitute the proper substitution, it is easy to get the answer. So the process is very simple, but see, try to understand the problem. So these are called reducible to a pair of linear equations. So that means the equations are not in direct to solve. So that's why reduce it into linear pair of equations, and after that only you have to solve the linear pair of equations with the proper suitable methods. Now for example, you see problem is like this: 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, and the next 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. So actually, by seeing this equation, if you take LCM, it becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 3, and like that. That is one model. Or otherwise, total can be converted into that model. That means how to do this type of problem, that is important. See that what is 2 by x for that? What is 2 by x? 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x. 2 into 1 by x. What is 3 by y? 3 into 1 by y. What is 5 by x? 5 into 1 by x. What is 4 by y? 4 into 1 by y. 4 into 1 by y. Don't take take LCM. If you take LCM, that RHS becomes 13xy. Here RHS becomes minus 2xy. Again, the problem is a little bit hard to do. So that's why how to do, just you observe. So 2 by x can be written as 2 into 1 by x. That 1 by x is equal to, let p or q something. So let 1 by x is equal to some p, and 1 by y is equal to some q. So this is a way to do the problem. Now what is 2 by x? 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x. 2 into 1 by x is 2 into p, that is 2p, plus 3 into 1 by y, 3 by y, that is 3q, is equal to 13. Call it as equation number 1. Now this is a linear equation, of course linear equation in p and q. And in the same way, let 1 by x is equal to p. What is 5 by x? 5 into 1 by x, that is 5 into p, 5p, minus 4 into 1 by y, that is 4 into 1 by, what is 4 into 1 by y is q, is equal to minus 2. That call it as equation number 2. Now by solving these two equations, we'll get the values of p and q. After getting the values of p and q, don't stop the problem. Again, what is p? 1 by x, we'll get the value of x. What is q? 1 by y. Again you simplify, we'll get the value of y. Now see, so first solve these two equations 1 and 2. Here it is a 3, 4, so better equation 1 is multiply with 5. Now 5 2s are 10p plus 5 3s are 15q is equal to 13 5s are 65. Equation 2, write equation 2 is multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10p minus 2 4s are 8q is equal to 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Now subtraction, minus, it becomes plus, it becomes plus. Plus 10p minus 10p gets cancelled. 15q plus 8q, 15 plus 8 is 23q is equal 65 plus 4, 65 plus 4 is 69. Now 23q is equal to 69, q is equal to 69 by 23, 23 3s are 69, implies q is equal to 3, q is equal to 3. Now again after getting that 3, that means substituting equation 1 or 2, so better equation 2, which is Very easy. What is equation 2? Or otherwise equation 1 also, no problem. 2p. So 2p plus 3q. 3q means 3 into what is q? 3 is equal to 13. Is equal to 13. Now 2p plus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 13. 2p is equal to 13 minus 9. That is 13 minus 9, 4. Now 2p is equal to 4 implies p is equal to 4 by 2. What is 4 by 2? 2. So that implies p is equal to 2. Now p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3. Don't stop the problem. Problem is not completed, children. So after getting the values of p and q, substitute here. What is, let 1 by x is equal to p, no? So but 1 by x is equal to p. But what is p? 2. So 1 by x is equal to 2. Now by 1 cross multiply x, 2 into x, 2x is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1 by 2. That is the solution. That is one solution. Next, in the same way, 1 by y is equal to q. So 1 by y is equal to, where is q? Q is 3. Again by 1 cross multiply. 3y is equal to 1 implies y is equal to 1 by 3. Implies y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, what is the solution? X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3 is the required solution. So this is the way to do the linear pair, that means equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Why? Because the problems are not given directly like this. So that means this 2 by x means 2 by x can be written as 2 into 1 by x. 3 by y can be written as 3 into 1 by y. So that's why 1 by x is equal to, let 1 by x is equal to some p and 1 by y is equal to q. Or otherwise 1 by x is equal to some l, 1 by y is equal to some m. Or this is m, n, whatever it may be. So but change it into variables. After getting that p and q, substitute in equation, will total equations can be reducible to linear equations. Solving those two linear equations in some variables. So either pq or lm, whatever it may be. After getting that the values p and q, don't stop the problem. Again you substitute 1 by x is equal to p. So that's why 1 by x is equal to p means 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. By cross multiplication 2x is equal to 1 implies x is equal to 1 by 2. In the same way y is equal to 1 by 3. Now this is also easy, very easy for verification. Come on, x is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 1 by 2. X means 1 by 2 means it is a fraction of the denominator, 2 goes to numerator. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 by, y is 1 by 3. Fraction of the denominator 1 by 3. 3 goes to numerator, 3 3s are 9. What is 4 plus 9? 30. Hence the problem is right. Or otherwise, verify second one. 5 by x. X means 1 by 2. 5 by 1 by 2. 2 goes to numerator. 5 2s are 10 minus 4 by y. Y is 1 by 3. 3 goes to numerator. 4 3s are 12. What is 10 minus 12? Minus 2. Hence the problem is right. So this is the way to do the equation reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the last and final model. So please note down this. And again we will go to the exercise problems. In that exercise, solve exercise 4.3 next. So see that exercise 4.3. Exercise, last exercise 4.3, problem number 1. So what is 1 you see? Solve each of the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. So first one, 5 by x minus 1, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Next one, 6 by x minus 1, 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Problem is like this. Of course, sometimes the problem given that here, that 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So equations that reducible, that means converted to linear equations. Now see how to do. Come on, say 5 by x minus 1 can be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1. 1 by y minus 2, or otherwise 3 by y minus 2 can be written as 3 into 1 by y minus 2. So that means let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. But here don't write is equal to x and is equal to y. Why? Because already the problem is in x and y. Don't put again x and y. Suppose if the problem is in p and q, you can take x and y. Clear, children? Now substitute 1 becomes 5 into 1 by x minus 1. But 1 by x minus 1 is equal to p. So 5p plus 1 by y minus 2 directly q is equal to 2. Call it as equation number 1. Next, 6 into 1 by x minus 1, that is 6 by x minus 1, that is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Call it as equation number 2. Now see that 1 and 2. Observe that very easy to solve. Equation 1 is simply multiply with 3. Now come on, multiply with 3. 3 5s are 15p plus 3q is equal to 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15p plus 3q is equal to 3 2s are 6. What is equation 2? 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Now solve these two equations. Here plus 3q minus 3q. Plus 3q minus 3q gets cancelled. So now 15p, that means addition of 15p plus 6p, 15 plus 6, 21p is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. So that p is equal to 7 by 21. 7 1s are 7 3s are. That implies p is equal to 1 by 3. P is equal to 1 by 3. Now equation 1 implies. Now what is equation 1? 5p. 5p means 5 into p means 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. So 5 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. Plus 5 by 3 goes to that side, minus 5 by 3. By 1 take LCM. What is LCM? 3 is the LCM. 1 3 times, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 1 time, 1 5s are 5. What is 6 minus 5? 1 by 3. Therefore Q is equal to 1 by 3. P is equal to 1 by 3. Q is also 1 by 3. Don't stop the problem. Again substitute here. See, try to understand the problem. What is P? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to P. But what is P? 1 by 3. Again cross multiply. X minus 1 is equal to, x minus 1 is x minus 1 is equal to 3 1s are 3. That implies x is equal to 3 plus 1. That implies x is equal to 4. Now in the same way, 1 by y minus 2. 1 by y minus 2 is equal to q. What is q? 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Minus 2 goes to that side, plus 2. So that, sorry, y is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the required solution? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Again, you substitute whether it is correct or not. Suppose if x is equal to 4, 5 by 4 minus 1. 5 by 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 5 by 3. Remember. 1 by y minus 2. 1 by 5 minus 2. 1 by 5 minus 2 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, this is a 5 by 3. 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 6 by 3. What is 6 by 3? 2. Or in the second one, 6 by x minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. What is 6 by 3? 2. Remember. 3 by y minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. That is 3 by 3, 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. Hence the problem is right. So this is the way to do the problem that reducible to linear equations. So this is problem number 1. Next I will do the problem number 2. Okay, problem number 2. X plus y by xy different models are there. Try to understand the problem. According to the problem, you can convert. X plus y by xy. X plus y by xy is equal to 2. Next, x minus y by xy. X minus y by xy is equal to 6. Okay, how to solve the problem? Again, don't confuse children. For each and every problem, little bit change. Just you apply your knowledge sometimes. Don't take the decisions and don't take your own decisions. Just to ask if is there any doubt. Just to request your teacher so that your teacher will clarify the doubt. See. Here x plus y by xy, the number of terms of the denominator are less than the numerator, so we can split the problem. So x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 2. In the same way, x by xy minus y by xy is equal to 6. See children, by taking the LCM also same model, no? So this is the way. Why I split it like this? Here x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled. What is the equation? 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Next, x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled. So 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 6. Okay, now here starting 1 by y, don't confuse that. Either you take starting 1 by x or 1 by y, whatever it may be. Now let 1 by y is equal to y, always p and q, let it be a. 1 by y is equal to a. 1 by x is equal to b. 1 by a, y is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b. Now, what is this? Substitute b plus, 1 by y is a, so that is a plus b is equal to 2. 1 by y is again a minus b is equal to 6. This is called as equation number 1 and called as equation number 2. Add these two equations, plus b minus b gets cancelled. What is substitute? That means add a plus a, 2a is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. Now, a is equal to 8 by 2. What is 8 by 2 children? 4. Now that implies a is equal to 4. Keep it like that. Next, 1 implies a means 4 plus, what is b? 4 plus b is equal to 2. That implies b is equal to 2 minus 4. That implies b is equal to minus 2. b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, a value is 4, b value is minus 2. Don't stop the problem. Again, what we have to do, children? Here, 1 by y plus 1 by x. That means here 1 by y is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b. Now, 1 by y is equal to a. Now, 1 by y is equal to, but what is a? 4. y1 cross multiply. 4y is equal to 1 implies y is equal to 1 by 4. Implies y is equal to 1 by 4. Next, in the same way, 1 by x is equal to b. So 1 by x is equal to, what is b? Minus 2. Now by 1 cross multiply. Minus 2x is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1 by minus 2. That is 1 by minus 2 means minus negative symbol is there in the denominator or numerator, we can write in the numerator. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the required solution? X is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4. This again it is easy to verify. See the problem. Verification. X plus y, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 by xy minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Now, what is LCM of the numerator? That is 4. 2 2 times 2 plus 4 1 time 1 4 divided by minus 1 by multiplication 2 4s are 8. Now 2 plus 1 3 by 4 by minus 1 by 8. So which is equal to 3 by 4 into 8 by minus 1. 3 by 4 into 8 by minus 1. 3 by 4 into once again minus 1 by 8. What is LCM? 4 is the LCM. So 2, 4 is LCM means 2 how many times? 2 times 2 into minus 1, sorry here minus 2 plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1 means 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is here minus 1 by 4. Now minus 1 by 4 into 8 by minus 1. Minus minus cancel. 4 1s are 4 2s are. What is your answer? 2. Got it 2? So like that it is easy to verify. But no need to verify, up to this is enough. Therefore the solution is x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4. Clear children? Next problem. Okay, see that problem number 3. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. Now, how to solve the problem? Okay. Now, in the same way, 2 by root x here. So, that's why let 2 into 1 by root x it can be written as. So, let 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y is equal to b. Why? Because don't take x and y. Already the values are already the problem is in x and y. So now 2 by root x is what? 2 into 1 by root x. So that is 2a. 3 by root y is 3 into 1 by root y. That is 3b is equal to 2. Call it as equation number 1. Next 4 by root x, that is 4a minus 9 by root y, that is 9b is equal to minus 1. Call it as equation number 2. Now solving these two equations, so better equation 1 is multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4a plus 2 3s are 6b is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now equation, next equation, 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now subtract, symbols change, minus plus plus. So plus 4a minus 4a gets cancelled. 6b plus 9b, 15b is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now b is equal to, now b is equal to now b is equal to 5 by 15. See that 5 by 15 means 5 1s are 5 3s are. So that implies b is equal to 1 by 3. Now 1 implies 2a plus 3b. 3b means 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Of course 3 3 cancel 1. So 2a plus 1 is equal to 2. 2a is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. That means 2a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 2. So a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 3. I told that don't stop the problem. Again you substitute a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 3. Here what is that? Let 1 by root x is equal to a. So that's why 1 by root x is equal to a means what? 1 by 2. Now by cross multiply root x into 1. Root x is equal to 2 1s are 2. How to remove root? Squaring on both sides. Therefore by squaring root x whole square. What is root x whole square? X, or root x whole square is equal to 2 square. So root and square gets cancelled. X is equal to 2 square is 4. In the same way, 1 by root y. 1 by root y is equal to 1 by root y is equal to b. Sorry, b is what? 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. Root y is equal to 3. Again by squaring on both sides. Root y whole square is equal to 3 square. Root and square gets cancelled. Y is equal to what is 3 square? 9. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9. So, you substitute whether it is correct or not. 2 by root x. Root x means root 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Plus 3 by root y. Root 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. Hence, it is correct. Even you substitute in the second equation also, it will be satisfied. 4 by root x means root 4 is 2. What is 4 by 2? 2. Minus 9 by root y is root 9. Root 9 is 3. What is 9 by 3? 3. 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Hence it is satisfied. Therefore, what is the required solution? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9 is the required solution. So, like this, all the problems are like this. So, again I will do one last problem here, that is a big problem, that is 1 by 3x plus y see that problem number, one more problem, 1 by 3x plus y. One by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Next, 1 by 2 of 3x plus y, 1 by 2 of 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 of 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay children, this is the problem. Just to see how to do the problem. Here total, that is 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x minus y, 1 by 3x minus y. So this problem, let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to some p or a, 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. Now see, let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a, 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. Equation 1 becomes a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. A plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Now cross multiply. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Call it as equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. Clear children? So total is multiplied with 3, 4 otherwise 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Next, this becomes 1 by, don't confuse, 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. So that's why this is total a, that means numerator, that is a. Denominator, don't disturb the denominator 1 by 2. So that's why don't write 1 by 2a. All the children, that means almost 90% of the children, they are writing that 1 by 2a. Don't write like that. 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. Total is a. So that means a will be in the numerator. So that's why what we have to write? A by 2. What we have to write children? A by 2 minus total 1 by 3x minus y is b. So that's why this 1 by 2 into b. So that is b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now take LCM to a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now cross multiply. 4 of a minus b, 4 of a minus b is equal to minus 1. So 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Call it as equation number 2. Equation number 2. 4 of a minus b is equal to minus 1. Why? Because here you can cancel 2 1s are 2 4s are. Is equal to same numerators we can cancel, same denominators also we can cancel. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Now what is equation 1? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. What is equation 2? 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Now add. If you add plus 4b minus 4b gets cancelled. 4a plus 4a, 8a is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So that implies a is equal to 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. That implies a is equal to 1 by 4. Now 1 implies, what is 1? 4a. A is again 1 by 4, 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 gets cancelled. That implies 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. That implies 4b is equal to 3 minus 1. So 4b is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. B is equal to 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore A value is 1 by 4. B value is 1 by 2. Again, don't stop the problem. Okay. A value is 1 by 4. B value is 1 by 2. Again, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to A. What is A? 1 by 4. Again cross multiply. See, try to understand the problem. 3x plus y is equal to 4 ones are 4. Call it as equation number 3. Next, what is second one? 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. What is b? 1 by 2. Cross multiply. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Call it as equation number 4. Again you solve 3 and 4. Then only we'll get the values of x and y. Understood, children? Now again solving 3 and 4. By solving 3 and 4, no need to multiply with constant directly, right? Why? Because x quotient is same and y quotient is same. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Add plus y minus y gets cancelled. 3x plus 3x, 6x is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. That implies x is equal to 6 by 6 one time. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Now 3 implies. Now 3 implies 3x. X means again 1. 3 into 1, 3. Plus y is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. So that y is equal to 1. Therefore the required solution is x is equal to 1 and y is also 1. Again you verify the problem whether it is correct or not. Suppose x is equal to 1, 1 by 3 ones are 3 plus y is 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4, that is 1 by 4. Plus 1 by, again 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2? See, you verify. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to LCM 4. 1 plus 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 3 by 4. Got it? If you substitute in the equation 2 also, it is easy to satisfy. Therefore, this is the way to do the problem. So, this is a model. The total equations can be converted into the reducible into the linear equations. After that, it is easy to solve the problem by taking different variables. So, this topic understood, children? So, this is the way to do the problems. And the next, last and final, that is verbal problems. 3 problems are there. Those are also very, very important in the same model. The total verbal problem can be converted into the linear equation so that it is easy to solve. In the next class, we will see the last 3 problems so that this chapter will be completed. Okay, children. Thank you.